In this video, I will show you how to increase the RAM space of your device if it supports memory fusion. Now, most Android devices are designed with these special features that allows the device to take a bit of free RAM space and add it to the RAM space. The higher the RAM memory, the smoother your phone will run. So in this video, I will show you two methods of increasing your RAM space, but only if your phone supports this memory fusion. No. The first method is the easiest, but not all devices support this first method out of the box. A system update is required for some devices such as the itel S18 and itel S18 Pro before you can access the memory fusion setting, and that will lead us to the second method. Before I proceed, I think it's very important for me to mention why I did this video. After I reviewed the itel S18 and itel S18 Pro, lots of my viewers kept asking me questions about how to access their memory fusion. Initially, I didn't know how to respond, so I had to dig in and find a solution. By the way, this is the itel S18 and this is the itel S18 Pro. I leave the link in the description just in case you want to watch them. Let me take you straight to the first method, the one most people already know. For this method, I am using the Infinix Hot 20i. On most Android phones, all you have to do is go to the settings. Next, locate special function. Once you click on it, you will find Mem Fusion. Click on it and the memory fusion page will appear. Here you can see that the memory fusion is activated. The original RAM space is 2 GB and an additional 2 GB from the ROM space is activated for this device. You can also choose to deactivate memory fusion here or activate it if it is deactivated. But whatever action you take here, note that the phone will restart itself for the change to take effect. Also on this page, you can set the amount of ROM space to be converted. On this device, you can choose 1 GB, 1.5 GB, or 2 GB. After making your selection, the device will also restart itself to effect the change you made. With this, you are done. Now, let me explain the second method, and this method should only be used if your device requires a system update before you can access memory fusion setting. To explain this method, I am using the itel S18. This is the special function screen and you will not find the memory fusion here. It will only appear after you perform a system update. To do that, go to the settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on System. On the screen that opens, click on the System Update, then Online Update. Next, click on Check for Update and allow the device to run a check on update. Note that you will need an internet connection for this process. After the check is done, you will find a new update ready to be downloaded. In this case, the update file is 339 MB of data. At this point, I will recommend that you maintain a strong internet connection. Also, make sure that you have at least 50% of battery charge because you are about to embark on a very long journey. Now, click on download and wait for the phone to download and install the update. This will take more than a while. In fact, it took me more than 4 hours to install the update. To avoid frustration, I will recommend that once you start downloading the update, just go to sleep. And when you wake up, go back to sleep. I really wish I did this when I updated this device. Once the update is complete, go back to the special function in the settings and you can now access the memory fusion. On this device, I added 2 GB more. Wait for the device to restart and it is done. Now to verify, go to the settings, click on my phone and locate RAM. Here you can see that the 2 GB RAM has been successfully added. On some Android phones such as Oppo, memory fusion can only be accessed through the system settings and not special function, but that would be a story for another day. For now, see you in my next video.